Hello friends, welcome to Helford Social. Today's topic is importance of finding true friends. The first point is like-minded. Like-minded is very important. To find good friends or true friends, like-minded people is extremely necessary. And second is proper understanding. Your friend should understand your potential, your mentality. It is very necessary to have good friendship. Third is, they can support you through tough times. During tough times, they can always support you, always motivate you, encourages you, and to make you more confident and help you. Fourth point is reduce your stress and depression. They always try to reduce your stress and depression, or always gives good advice and always helps you and guides you. They are the true friends and mentors. And fifth point is boost your self-worth. They always try to make you more special or think you more self-confident and your importance. And increase your importance. They are the true friends. Very few people will understand this. Hope you like this video. And if you don't like this video, no problem. Good videos will come. And also watch the Helpful Education channel also. Those videos are also improving day by day and good videos is also coming. And we are trying to cover everything, every good information, every knowledge, every self-improvement, every helping everyone. This is totally a social startup, helping everyone, every problem. And we are trying to solve it. Hope you like this video and also like our initiative. And we are trying our best to improve the things. And we are trying to become regular also. Hope you like this video and now take care and bye, and thanks for watching.